You have probably seen those stunning AI videos going viral everywhere. Cinematic shots, 3D animation, realistic product scenes, and documentary-style visuals that look like they came from a professional studio. But the real question is not just how to generate one clip. The bigger question is, how do you plan the idea, write the script, organize the workflow, and create the visuals from start to finish? Today I am testing Dola Web on one complete faceless YouTube workflow. For this tutorial, I am not going to randomly show every feature separately. I want to use Dola Web for one real SkillEarly style task, building a faceless AI video workflow. The goal is to start with a video idea, use Pro Mode for planning and analysis, create a report and visual dashboard, write the production plan, then use Seedance 2.5 and Seedream 5.0 for the creative assets. Dola Pro Mode is currently free, so I want to see how useful it is for real content creation. First, I use Pro Mode for professional Q&A. Instead of asking for a basic video idea, I asked Dola to act like a senior YouTube AI content strategist. I wanted to analyze the target audience, the best angle, the content structure, possible risks, and the exact workflow I should follow. This helps me turn a simple idea into a more organized video plan. Next, I upload a simple content planning file. This file includes possible faceless video ideas, visual styles, difficulty levels, CTR potential, and production notes. Normally, I would review this manually or use multiple tools to organize it. Inside Dola Pro Mode, I upload the file and ask it to find the strongest idea, the best visual style, the easiest production path, and the clearest next steps. This is the data and file processing part of the workflow. After Dola analyzes the file, I ask it to turn the result into a professional content strategy report. This gives me a clear overview of the selected video idea, the target audience, the content structure, the creative direction, production steps, risks, and final recommendations. Instead of keeping everything as raw notes, Dola organizes it into a report that is easier to review and follow. Now I test the visualization feature. Instead of keeping the plan as plain text, I ask Dola to create an interactive HTML production dashboard for the same faceless video workflow. This dashboard can include the idea, target audience, timeline, shot list, prompts, production checklist, and recommended next steps. This is useful because a visual page is easier to follow than a long document, especially when you are planning a video project from start to finish. Next, I use Dola for practical writing. Since it already understands the idea and the strategy, I ask it to turn the plan into a full production package. I want a strong intro script, a 5-minute outline, a shot list, and AI video prompts for the creative scenes. This is where the workflow starts to feel complete. Dola is not only helping me think, it is helping me turn the idea into something I can actually produce. Now I move to the creative generation part, starting with Seedance 2.5. This is the AI video generation model highlighted in this campaign. I can use the prompts from the production plan to create original cinematic clips, like a futuristic workspace, animated video frames, or a documentary-style intro. Seedance 2.5 is designed for better consistency, better multi-image referencing, easier prompting, and stronger alignment between visuals and music. After the video clips, this workflow can also connect to Seedream 5.0 for image generation. This is useful for creating high information density images, such as thumbnail concepts, production boards, visual explainers, or report graphics. Once access is enabled, I can create supporting visuals for the video, the thumbnail, or the production plan, while keeping everything connected to the same project inside Dola. So this is how I would use Dola Web to build a complete faceless AI video workflow. I started with one idea, used Pro Mode for professional Q&A, uploaded a planning file, created a strategy report, generated an HTML dashboard, wrote the script and shot plan, then connected the workflow to Seedance 2.5 and Seedream 5.0 for original creative assets. If you want to try Dola Web, use the dedicated link in the description and pinned comment.